Test 1 2 1 2. Okay, where's that echo coming from? There it is. Okay, so Trovo's back up and running at least. That's not the point right now anyway. Well, hold on a second. That looks much better than what it was. Like, to me, I'm not seeing all the blurry effects and, like, see the left hand side and the right hand side in the middle. Usually you would see blurry effects. Well, I usually would, but I'm not seeing them anymore. And I'm kind of streaming out from Restream now, so yeah, it looks like it's sorted now. The only trick thing is with Trovo is it won't use 1080p until it detects that I'm using it, because it's just something that Trovo does. Yeah, there it is. It's detected 1080p and it's perfect as well. Yeah, it's okay. As I said, my main focus is Trovo, but the way things Trovo is the way things are Trovo. I did it again. The way the Trovo's going at the moment, I'm not entirely sure, but I do like the platform because I do get regulars. It might not be like a big good number, but I do have regulars that come in every so often, every day, so that kind of helps me a little bit on that. So my YouTube account, I'm kind of live on there too. That doesn't usually require a lot of things. As I said, the only reason why I got YouTube is so I can keep most of my videos. Oh, hold on. Yeah, that's on 1080p as well. But it looks kind of bad. Wow, I'm actually being able to do 1080p HD. That's nuts. Yeah, there is kind of so much competition. I'm not in it for that, as people kind of would imagine. I just like it because it just. See, my thing is that I won't play any games off stream. I'll only play games if I'm actually streaming, and then after that, I just don't play any games after when I'm off stream. It's just some weird thing. Yeah, YouTube looks a bit weird. It's still got the wee blurs, but it's not that bad to be honest. I kind of feel bad though because the only thing is that it's very difficult. Like you probably would agree. I'm not entirely sure, but for me, I just don't talk as much as long as other people in the chat are talking. I just don't like talking to myself, and I know there's a lot of people just lurking away listening, which is fine, but my point of view is if no one talks, I can't seem to talk unless somebody's kind of talking with me. It's just a weird thing that I've picked up, and it's going to be difficult for me to change all that. Or should I put down the fact it's just a false habit that I've more or less got and you can't really change it? Hmm. I'm not wondering if there's a way to do something. Do you know if there's a way to make it so you can make up like it doesn't matter what bot it is. I'm using Mix It Up bot, but is there a way to make that Mix It Up bot do a command where it does exclamation mark? I don't know what the command is. I don't even know if there's a command for it. Is to I know people would have to hit the clip button to do clips, but is there not an automated command where you can tell the bot to clip a video every couple of minutes or every hour? Exclamation mark clip. Because if I can get my Mix It Up bot to do that command, I'm going to end up having to look into that because I don't want to end up telling people that can you do uh, manual clips, because every time you clip it goes into this player on the left hand side of me and it's automated. It's just automated clips that are in my clips list and it will play each one randomly. Oof, 12 people. That's not... Okay, so if I go into my settings, commands, and I wonder if I can make a command here. Messages. As I said, I don't know if Mix It Up will allow you to make a command. The only... Is that stuck? That's kind of weird, my clip's just stuck. Yeah, I usually would have used Deepbot because at least I can make commands in there. I'm not entirely sure about Mix It Up though, because I don't know if you can make commands. There is a commands settings thing, but you can't exactly make commands. Another thing I could probably use is CloudBot, which is kind of part of my Streamlabs. But the problem with CloudBot is if you do something at least that the bot does not like, if it's caps or anything like that. Nightbot, yeah, I could try Nightbot. Yeah, but the problem with CloudBot is it's on Streamlabs, and if you do any just slightly anything out of tune that it doesn't like, it will temporarily ban you, or it will just instantly perma ban you. It is not a bot that I kind of fond of, and a lot of other people don't use it specifically for that reason. Let me have a look at Nightbot. At least with Nightbot, yeah, probably might have to set some stuff up, but it's not going to be that bad. I kind of miss BrinyBot because that was a good bot because it had like cool stuff on it. Like it had a thing on it where you can put the game overlay on the OBS as a browser source, and it would tell you what game I'm playing, and it automatically changes depending on if you've changed it on your Twitch, so it already detects what Twitch had. If you have to go, that's alright. It's just it's good that you came on. And okay, I'm gonna have to play that again, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm playing that again. Yeah, give me a sec. I at least want that to play that so it actually works. I may have forgot to add that in here, and we'll add the Bitmoji thing. Hopefully I've got this set up still. There we go. There's my Bitmoji going. Yeah, the other thing is that before you go, because I've got the Bitmoji working, mostly it works by only followers, subs, donations and bits. Unfortunately it doesn't do hosts, but I wish it kind of did. But we've got the follow one, which comes up as the Fortnite bus. And then the subscription one. And then obviously the bits one you've kind of noticed. I'm going to push this again because I'm going to put this in sync with the corner here. There. So he's actually peeking in. Yeah, most, as I said, if you've got Streamlabs Prime, I would recommend Bitmode emoji chat because that's where most of that comes from. Log into Nightbot. Yeah, it's so good that I actually took the 2FA code off my Twitch though. Yes, yeah, the Bitmoji chat is actually good. I've used it for quite a while. As I said, it like enhances your stream following alert in so many ways. As I said, unfortunately, they don't have it built as into the host system. It just works with the follower subscription and bits and donations, and you can edit those as well. Right, where do we do commands in here? Yes. Common. Add a command. A shout for hints and tips. Yes, okay, I'm not going to be streaming today. I'm just kind of fixing this up for tomorrow so it looks good and whatnot. But as I said, thanks for coming in and helping me with that to make sure it's like perfect. So messages, nothing. Everyone can do. Cool down 5 seconds. So I want to automate it though. Yeah, I don't know if I can make, like I make the command, but I don't think I can make it automated. Unless instead of it being a command, it's done as a timed event. Your timers, add a timer event. I don't know if this will kind of work though because it probably might. Clip, message, clip, chat lines, interval, have it down to 5 minutes. Join channel as well. Okay, do this in chat, and hopefully that will invented moderator to Nightbot. So hopefully in the next few minutes it will start doing that message, and hopefully it kind of works automatically. Right, my Nightbot user's probably going to be a link 2744 because he's marked as a moderator, which is absolutely fine. Just as I said, hopefully it's going to bring up that message at some point. If this doesn't actually work the way I want it, then all I can kind of put is the other thing I could do in the meantime is look into Streamlabs bot timers. Well guys, I will be kind of saying this out once, is that the more viewers there is in the channel, it helps with the All Stars bar, and every viewer counts as 1cc point, and it gets tallied up within 90 days, I think. We are gonna do CloudBot, and it's enabled already, so it is technically working right now, which is kind of a surprise because it hasn't really done much. Yeah, it's not really done much of what I thought it would do. Clip interval. Good thing is hopefully I can have it as that, and hopefully it will start doing something. I was kind of going to be playing Startopia today later today as well, but considering the time now, it's probably going to be useless. So I'll probably start that tomorrow at some point. I should almost kind of forgot as well. My bad. Anybody that's in Trovo right now, do apologise for not seeing my chat. It's kind of pity. Trovo chat, where are you, Trovo chat? Okay, why am I not getting Trovo chat up? It's Trovo chat there. As I said, I have made the timer command anyway. I think I've already run this command anyway, but I'll try that again. As I said, I'm not going to be on too long. I'm just going to look at these timed commands to see if they'll work. As I said, I'm hopefully sure that those timers will come up eventually. Anyway, guys, I will probably be fixing some of my panels. Like, I'm going to completely redo them all. I'm going to delete them, redo them through Streamlabs, because I've got a Streamlabs thing that allows me to fix up panels with my Prime account. And I'm also going to put something in there as well where it'll kind of tell viewers to do exclamation mark point clip. It doesn't, as I said, it doesn't matter if it's something funny or something normal or anything like that, or anything out of the ordinary. I just want people to clip, because the more people that clip, the more it goes on to the more it goes on to the replay list. Hey there. Sorry, my eyes a bit watery right now and it's bugging me. Yeah, I'm just currently setting up stuff for tomorrow and fixing a few major problems that I've had yesterday. Oh, did that actually do it? Only thing is I wonder if that actually clipped for me. Yeah, I'm just trying to set up the bot so it does the exclamation mark clip automatically. But I'm not entirely sure if it will actually work though. Let's have a look and see if that actually did something, because if it did then that would be so good. Dashboard and clips. Clips. Yeah, I don't know if the bot can actually do it. Yeah, I'm not seeing those clips. Wait, what? You cannot call the same command as an alias. Oh well then. At least Nightbot actually did it. But I don't think they're working. Because I think it's more to it than just doing the exclamation point clip. Because when you do exclamation point clip, I think it allows you to manually clip certain bits. So yeah, you do need people for that. Oh wow, that's going off constantly and that's not good. Let's disable that. And disable that. So that's not working. So what I'll probably do is I'll be redoing most of my panels and I'll put in the exclamation point clip as a command for people to randomly do clips. Because as I said, the more clips we have, the better they go into this clip list for the just chilling and the starting, especially for the starting, because you can see all the clips that we've played, well, most of the games that we've played previously. Best clip I could kind of imagine right now that I kind of like, I can switch on the volume for these clips, the best one I kind of like out of all of them, and it really actually got me panicking, was this one. It is on, but I wonder if I can play it. I'm not sure if I can play it. Yeah, this one that's coming up. Yeah, this one that's coming up. Oh, shoot. Go back in there. Was. Yeah, I might have to do that again because I had it muted. Okay, that was when I was playing Final Fantasy Online, and then I had a command with pink fluffy unicorns in it, and the sort theme song. So here it is. The most scariest thing I ever played. Oh, flip! I did it again. Oh, Jesus Christ! I didn't think she was gonna come in. This is not a yeah, that got me jumped when I was playing that. It still usually does. As I said, if you do exclamation clip, the more clips we have, the better for the startup method. The other thing I've changed is the 60 FPS. It's now 160 FPS 1080p, and it seems to be better than when it used to be. Anyway guys, I'm going to probably head off just for now. I will be back tomorrow afternoon. This was probably just a test run to set some stuff up that needed to be set up for a couple of problems that I had with the animations and stuff like that, because it wasn't blur, buffering or anything like that. It was just a fact. Wrong scene. It was just a fact in the left centre and the right centre. I kept on seeing blurs through the animation. But it's now been sorted because the FPS has changed as well. AMG actually went offline. Oh well. Yeah, there's definitely no blurs anymore at all, so we can continue on without any problems, and if we keep most of the settings that I've got, there should never be any more problems at all. The other thing is we can probably add a few extra new things that I've still not looked at yet. Uh, Due to the App Store for Streamlabs Prime, which would be some of it's mostly music related. I've got them better mon, mon, mo, motion. It's just weird that you don't say the T out. So better motion means that you can actually move stuff automatically aside, like it's like something just fades in left or right and fades out. It's something I don't normally would need to use, but I'll look at that later. Stream timer, I don't need that. Speech chat. I could try that, but the problem is the last time I tried that, it didn't really work so much for me. Multi-mode. There's no really much point me using that because multi-mode, it just allows me to mod simultaneous channels without having so many tabs open, which is a useful thing. Social stream, that's kind of useful because it kind of figures out my Twitter automatically. Something added, where did it go? Yeah, do that. There's something that I've got actually, which is a pre-recorded clip player that people can like play back clips. Something I wouldn't normally use, but yeah, just skip all that. Turn on Twitch. Okay, I'm gonna have to log in for this. If this actually works properly, that would be good. And this will be something else it's going to be. Hold on, did I take that wrong? The password's wrong, that's fine. Get my email address. Well, that code's wrong. I did not want that. Okay, so Twitch chat is now enabled. Close settings. Now, if this technically works, this would be good. Put in this. I am to log in for that. Let's go to profile Twitch. Put in test. Okay, that did not work. Why did that not work? Yeah, that's the problem with it, is I think it needs to constantly be on just for it to work.
Link Xavier. Set 4.
Right, so it definitely works in that way. I wonder if I can change the... Yeah, I'm not going to switch on the welcoming one. Don't want to end up doing that. Okay, where's my speech? Speech. General speech voice. Wait, pitch it. Let's pitch it. This is gonna be funny. Let's see what that's gonna do. Well, this is gonna be funny.
Link Xavier. Set 696,996. Link Xavier. Set test.
Unfortunately, I cannot change the who's actually speaking though. In order for the voice activity, the voice thing to work, is I need Streamlabs to have speech chat open constantly, which is fine, I would imagine. I'll need to remember to have that opened once we start tomorrow as well. But anyway, guys, I'm going to head off. As I said, this was probably just a test run to just get things kind of set up and have things kind of working for tomorrow. We are going to be playing. I was going to play a bit more Bully, but for some reason it seems to crash every so often, so I'm not going to be able to play that, unfortunately. And I do have to look at Oxygen Not Included because some of the mods I really want to use are not working, so I need to kind of figure out how to fix that. So the only game I'm probably going to be playing tomorrow is Startopia, which, as I said, I would have probably played that today, like earlier on in the afternoon at 6 o'clock, but I would wanted to basically get my stream fixed up first. So anyway, guys, I will catch you tomorrow afternoon for some Startopia and whatever else I can scrounge up, like Oxygen Not Included and whatnot. But anyway, guys, I will catch you all